Alright guys, this is Famous Forex Academy and I'm back here again with another powerful and amazing strategy. All I share here is good stuffs and amazing stuffs. You can check from my previous videos, you can see the strategies I've been dropping, and you can see the comments and testimonies of people on how my strategy have been really helping them and changing their life a lot. So today I'm back with this amazing one. I don't bring any strategy here that it's not 99.9% okay, because there's no 100% strategy like I always say, but my strategies can always work out for you 99.9% times. So that means if you try my strategy 20 times in a day, it's actually going to work out 17 to 18 times for you, because this market don't respect the strategies at some times. So guys, today I'll be giving you this amazing strategy. It's a scalping strategy. I like doing most of scalping strategies because it's actually working a lot. Okay, so today I'm back with this amazing one, and trust me guys, I always drop the best, and you're going to really enjoy the strategy because you're going to make a whole lot of money from this strategy. So guys, before we continue, I'd like to share the settings of this strategy with you. The settings here will be the Bollinger Bands on our main chart, and it has the period of 15, deviation is 0.500, shift is 0, apply to close, style is 3 pixel. I'm using a gold color, and after that you click on done, and this is how your main charts will look like. Okay, so the next indicator will be adding you will be the relative strength index, which has a period of 14, apply to close, style is 2 pixel, and I'm using white. If you're using a white background, make sure you use a white color. And levels here are level 15, 95, 10, and 90. After that you click on done, and this is how it's look like. So the last indicator we'll be adding here will be the alligator, which has a jaws period of 13, jaws shift of 8, teeth period of 8, teeth shift of 5, lips period of 5, lip shift of 3, method smooth, applied to medium price, high low /2, jaws style is 1 pixel, I'm using white, and teeth style is 4 pixel, I'm using red, and the lip style is 4 pixel, I'm using black. After that it's done. Okay guys, and this is how your chart will be looking like. So after that have been done, the next thing you want to do is knowing your zoom level. So what you do is here, you zoom out, you zoom in your chart completely like this, and you zoom out 1 and 2. Okay, so when that is done, the next thing you'll be waiting for is knowing when to buy, because like I always say, when you're scalping crash, you have to buy, and when you're scalping boom, you have to sell. So we are scalping crash 1000, and that means we are actually going to buy. I like doing my strategies live for you to see, so you can see how I did it, and you can also try it on your own chart too and see how it works perfectly. So I like doing this live. I don't like using back testing to show you guys how the strategy has been working when you're not actually seeing it live. So I like doing my strategies live so you can follow it, use it on your own trade, and make money for yourself too. So guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel before, I'd like you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video with your friends. I always like saying this: share the video with your friends so everybody can make money too. Okay guys, don't be stingy, don't keep it to yourself, share it, let everyone use this strategy and make money for themselves, and turn on your notification to also get new stocks whenever I post them online. And also on the description page, you see a link to my WhatsApp number in case you want to talk to me directly about account management. I manage accounts and give you profitable trades every single day. And on the description page too, you'll see a link to my Telegram group, a free Telegram group where you can join, where we drop strategies, drop analysis, the charts, and how the market is actually going to do in a particular time, and also drop free signals also. And also you can talk to me about the VIP group where we drop 45 profitable signals every day, and people are always smiling and making money every single day. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me show you how this strategy works. So the first thing you want to wait, it's wait for a spike to actually happen, a spike, because before the market can actually get to this oversold level, which is our buying zone, the spike had to take you down. Okay, they have to be a spike that will actually push the price down to this price. So when you see the price at this level, okay, you see the price at this level, which is these two indicators you are seeing here, the black and red indicators here. When once you see them going below the level 15 and level 10, okay, so all you just have to do is for you to wait for a crossover. Okay, the crossover has to happen below the level 15 here. Okay, and once you see the two indicators below level 15, what you have to wait for is a crossover to happen. As you can see, we just had a crossover. You see the black crossing the red indicator. Okay, when once this happen, you look at your main chart. You have to be sure that the green candles you are seeing here, it's actually crossing this Bollinger Bands indicator you are seeing here. There has to be a crossover here. You don't just enter the trade when you see a crossover down here, okay, and you start entering the trade. You have to also wait for these candles to cross over the Bollinger Bands, and when that happens, you open your position like this. Okay guys, you buy. You can open as much position as you can, but just make sure you work according to your lot, your account equity and a lot size too. You know, most times this strategy might not actually go your way, so you have to be careful. You have to apply some proper risk management so you don't have to blow your account. But I guarantee you that this strategy is working perfectly fine. It's one of a kind. It's a bomb, and all we just need here is to pick just 10 candlesticks. We don't have to stay longer than 10 minutes. So all we just have to do is pick 10 candlesticks and we close the trade. So guys, as you can see, we just open our positions and we are actually expecting to pick just 10 candlesticks and we close the trade. So guys, let's wait for our trade to give us 10 candlestick, then we close the trade. So guys, this strategy is amazing. It's one of a kind. It's a bomb. You know, I always share value here guys. Any strategy I drop here guys is always a bomb. I don't drop something that will actually cost you money. All I drop is something that will actually make you money. So guys, use this strategy, use it on your trades, and come back here, drop some sweet comments, and let me see how this strategy worked for you. Okay guys, so as you can see, let's back test and show you how this strategy has been working. As you can see here, there was a crossover here below the level 15, and you see a crossover here, and you can see we had up to 20 candlesticks. You can actually pick up to 20 candlesticks, but I wouldn't advise you to stay that long because most times it might not actually get to 20 candlesticks and you can actually have a spike happening. So to be on a safer side, I advise you to just take 10 candlesticks, then you close the trade. As you can see here guys, there was a crossover here below level 15, and there was a crossover here, and you can see we had as many candles here. Okay guys, you can still go back. As you can see, it's been happening like that. Okay, as you can see, it's been happening like that guys. So this strategy is wonderful. It's one of a kind. Like I always say, all my strategies are always one of a kind. They're always the best you can ever find online. So guys, trust me guys, use this strategy on your trades, make some money for yourself, come back here and drop your testimony guys, because you're actually going to win with this strategy. So like I always advise my subscribers, most times if you are not really sure of a strategy, like you don't just want to go into a trade, maybe on your main account, you can always test this on your demo account. I always say this because I'm sure of my strategy. Always test it on your demo account. When you're more comfortable with it, you can move to your real account, use the strategy, milk the market, get your money and out of the market. You can use this strategy as much time as you can in a day. So far, the conditions are actually in place. When once you find these conditions in place, just open the position, pick 10 candlesticks, close the trade, wait for another time for the positions to be in place, for the conditions to be in place. You open your trade, pick 10 candlesticks, and you close the trade. You can do this as many times as you can. So far, these conditions are in place. The moment you see this, because this thing might happen like 30-40 times before 24 hours. So if you are that less busy to be on your chart for like 10-20 times, you can do this and you can always make over $100 for yourself in a day. It's very, very easy, guys. It's very possible that you can turn your $10 account to $100 or $200 in a day. So far, you are less busy to be on your chart all day. And when once you find these conditions in place, you open your positions, you pick 10 candlestick, close, wait for another time. When the conditions are in place, you pick 10 candlesticks and you close the trade. So guys, it's amazing. It's working perfectly fine. I don't share things that will actually hurt you. All I share are things that are valuable and that will add value to your life, that will actually change your life, to actually make more money for you. So guys, don't forget to drop some comments. Tell me how this is working for you, because we always like to see that. So guys, like I said, if you've not subscribed to my channel before, I'll ask you to do so. Please, that's the only way you can pay me back with all I've been doing to you guys. Just subscribe, like the video, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to turn on your notification to always get stops whenever I post them online. So guys, our trade is still moving. As you can see, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks at the moment, and we are still expecting 5 more before we close the trade. So let me tell you how the strategy works, okay? Like I said, after you might have finished installing all your indicators, guys, the next thing you want to do is knowing the zoom level, and we are using the second zoom level for the strategy. All you just have to do is zoom in your chart completely to the last part, like it's a very tiny part, and you zoom out 1, 2, just twice, and it's okay. And when that is being done, the next thing you want to watch out for is wait for a spike to happen, because it's only a spike that will actually get the price to this position here. So when once you find the price at this level, which is the overbought level and our buying level, so what will happen is, and once you see this black and red indicator, okay, below the level 15, and there is a crossover like this. When I mean a crossover, that means the black or the red indicator must cross each other like this. Okay, see, and the way it is crossing each other, it must cross each other that leads to the upside. And when you see that, you go over your main chart and wait till when you see these candlesticks, when you see your green candlestick crossing this Bollinger Bands indicator here. This candlestick has to cross and come up like this. Okay, when you see that happening, you open your positions, you take 10 candlesticks, you close the trade, and you wait for it to happen again. You open your positions, you take 10 candlesticks, and you close the trade, and wait for it to happen. It can happen 23 times in a day. So far you have the time to be doing it, and maybe you're less busy to be on your chart to pick all those trades. Whenever it happens, you can actually make more than $200 in a day. And don't forget, all this depends on your lot size, it depends on your account equity, and also don't always forget to apply proper risk management when you're trading, because most times this might not actually go your way, and it might actually gives you a spike that might blow your account. So you have to always be cautious about the risk management, so you don't actually blow your account. So guys, as you can see, our market is still moving. Okay, from our entry here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We are having 7 candlesticks here, and we are expecting more 3 candlesticks so we can close the trade. Oh guys, I like doing my strategy live. Okay, I don't just like showing you back testing like every other people do online. They will just come and show you what happened. I don't show you what happened, I'm showing you what is happening live, so you can see it and believe that it's actually working perfectly, so you can use it on your own trades and make money for yourself. Guys, check my previous videos, you will see all my strategies are bomb. They are one of the kind, that one of the best you can ever see online. Guys, this is what I do, and I brag about it because my strategies are always working perfectly fine. So guys, I advise you to use this strategy, share it with your friends, make some money for yourself. Come back here, drop some sweet comments, so let's see how this strategy is working out for you. Fine. So guys, let's see how our trade is doing. Okay, which guys, you can see we are having $2 already because of the lot size. Don't forget, everything depends on the lot size. The bigger the lot size, the bigger the amount. So at the moment we are on $2, we are on profits. So all we just need is 10 candlesticks and we close the trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we are on our 9 candlestick here. That means we are expecting one more, then we close the trade. Like I said, this can actually gives you more than 20 candlesticks. Okay, it's possible you can get 20 to 30 candlesticks with this strategy, but to be on a safer side, because I don't like being greedy. Okay, I don't like being greedy. That's why some of my videos there are videos that I can tell you that you can pick up to 20 candlesticks for sure. Okay, but for this very strategy, you just pick 10 candlesticks. Don't be much greedy. Pick 10 candlesticks, close the trade, and you out of the trade. Okay, guys. So I think this is our last candle coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our last candlestick is coming out, and after that we will close the trade and wait for another opportunity. When the conditions are in place, we open our positions again and we pick 10 candlesticks. So guys, this video, it's a must watch video for you. Send it to your friends, send it to your colleagues. Let everybody use this strategy and make money for themselves. So like I said before, if you've not subscribed to this channel, I ask you to subscribe to the channel, share my video, like the video, turn on your notification to always get videos whenever I post them online. And don't forget to check out the description page. You will see a link to my WhatsApp number. You can talk to me directly and share whatever you want to share with me. Is it a mentorship you want? You want someone to teach you and mold you into becoming a professional trader? Yes, I can do that. So talk to me. Or you need where you can get daily signals, like 4 to 5 signals that can be profitable to you to make money for yourself. I always do that. I have a VIP group where I share signals to people and they are making money for themselves. And also on the description page, you'll see a link to my Telegram group. It's a free Telegram group. From there you can see how the VIPs are actually faring, and I also drop analysis on charts and how a market is actually doing at a particular time or what is going to happen in the next 2 hours. So join other traders on my Telegram group and have fun and make money too. So guys, like I said, we just got our 10 candlesticks, and at this point we are supposed to close our trade, pick our profit, wait for the right time again. When we have the conditions in place, we open positions, take 10 candlesticks, and we close the trade. So guys, this is all for today. Use this strategy on your chart, make money for yourself. Come back and tell me how it worked out for you. Let's make money together, guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you some other time, guys. Bye.